just going for a small walk. Been inside the whole day, so it's nice to be outside and getting some fresh air. But yeah, this is one of my good friend Barrett to a new ramen place here in Amsterdam, and it was so good. It's called Sapporo or something like that. Really recommend going. It's a really nice place. Good morning. I am gonna go to the library, but I think first I'm gonna go get a little coffee at the place that I work because it's right next to the library that I'm going to. So yeah, I just want to take it a little more slow, maybe study from there a little bit and not rush this morning, you know. I just want to land a bit and yeah, take it easy. So on the program for today is studying for majority of the day. Then I need to go into work actually and close up. And in the evening, I'm going out for dinner again. I'm gonna go to an Italian place with my boyfriend. So I'm really excited for that. We have a very fun and social day ahead. Oh yeah, I'm also meeting my friend to study. So that's super nice. Before I head out, I wanna show you guys my outfits. Okay, this is the outfit. It's so dark in here. It's really gloomy outside. So yeah, excuse the bad lighting. But wearing this shirt from Gani, this home knitted sweater vest, pants from Fragment, I think. And then I'll wear my black boots next to it, or with it. And then with my leather bag, which is full of things today, so it's actually quite heavy. But yeah, this is the outfit for today. I feel very sophisticated wearing this, honestly.
Eén keer met David.
Okay, work is done, studying done. I'm on my way to dinner now. And I'm just biking through the center, close to the Amstel River, or next to the Amstel River actually. And it's so beautiful, so I just have to show you guys. Yeah, I get that. Good morning. Okay, that's nice. We are making croissants for breakfast. Well, I think you can say that this is a brunch because it's 10:40. But we're just having kind of a slow morning. I'm studying today from home, but not in a stressy type of studying or panic type of studying, if that makes sense. It's more of, yeah, I'm gonna work a little bit and I'm gonna take it easy also because it is Saturday and yeah, I don't want to do too much, but I am still on a bit of a deadline and a time crunch, so I still need to do some things. Oh, this one's really crooked. Okay. This is really satisfying.
It is.
So pretty. Look at this. This is so good. spent some time with my good friend that I haven't seen in a while. And it was so nice. And now I'm just going back home and we'll cook some food for dinner. Just have a very chill evening. But it cleared up a bit right now, so I'm just taking a moment to enjoy the sun and Amsterdam for a little bit. Good morning. It is Sunday and I am going to work now. It's a really rainy and gloomy day out, which I'm kind of excited for. Going to work on a rainy day, that's always really cozy. But getting there is not going to be so nice. I'm going to be soaked. But yeah, that's on the plan for today. And then in the evening, I'm just going to take it really slow. I had a little bit of a bad evening / afternoon yesterday, where everything was just very frustrating and the thought of the thesis was just killing me. So today I'm just gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna work on the thesis at all. I'm just gonna go to work, come home, eat some food, and then do some hobbies or something in the evening.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna end the vlog here, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I get up to on, some cozy rainy days in Amsterdam. It's really about making the best of it. Next week we're gonna get beautiful sunny weather and I'm so excited. It's already clearing up a little bit outside now, so that's really great. So yeah, the next vlog is gonna be like beginning of summer vlog and I'm very excited to film that for you guys. But yeah, I hope that you're having a lovely day and it would mean the world to me if you would like and subscribe and keep following along in the Amsterdam journeys.